question again and again that in what situation we need to speak should be, could be, can be, may be, might be, and would be. So we are going to learn all the concept one by one. All right. Okay. Let's talk about should be first. Should be means बनना चाहिए या होना चाहिए. Means if you want to advise anybody to become something, you will use should be, subject should be plus noun, whatever you want to say. For example, आपको एक यूट्यूबर बनना चाहिए. You should be a YouTuber. आपको अमीर बनना चाहिए. You should be rich. आपको हेल्दी बनना चाहिए. You should be healthy. आपको अमीर बनना चाहिए. You should be rich. Whenever you want to say that you need to become something, you will say you should be, you should be. Then you will speak that noun what you want to say. I'm going to list some more examples so that you may understand well that in what situation we use should be. आपको एक आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहिए. You should be an artist. आपको एक शॉपकीपर बनना चाहिए. You should be a shopkeeper. So I hope you are going to understand that when you want to say that आपको कुछ बनना चाहिए या होना चाहिए, you will say subject should be. Okay, you should be, he should be, my brother should be, my sister should be. Okay, Salim should be a dancer. What does it mean? सलीम को एक dancer बनना चाहिए. That's great. So if I say Taha should be a cricketer. Taha should be a cricketer means what? Taha को एक cricketer बनना चाहिए. So I hope you are going to understand very well that when you want to say that you want to become something, means I'm going to advise anybody that you need to become something, you will say you should be, he should be, they should be, my friend should be, my sister should be, anybody. Then should be plus an adjective, a noun, what you want to say. Is it clear? Okay. Let's talk about next concept, that is maybe. Maybe is used when you are in doubt and you are showing possibility that someone may be something. You are not sure. For example, there is a boy and he is hungry. एक लड़का है जो भूखा है. But I don't know that he is hungry, he is ill, what is the situation? I don't know. Then I will ask you that why is that boy weeping? वो लड़का रो क्यों रहा है? Then you will say वह भूखा हो सकता है, वह प्यासा हो सकता है, वह बीमार हो सकता है, वह टेंशन में हो सकता है. You are not going to understand that what is the reality, what is the correct situation. You're not going to understand. Then you will guess. You will show possibility. So what will you do? वह भूखा हो सकता है, he may be hungry. वह प्यासा हो सकता है, he may be thirsty. वह अंधा हो सकता है, he may be blind. हाँ, वह mental हो सकती है, she may be mental. So you will say you may be, he may be, she may be when you want to say that someone may become something. Okay. For example, वह एक डॉक्टर बन सकता है, he may be a doctor. You know, if someone say that वह एक चोर हो सकता है, means he is not going to understand that he is a thief or not. Then in this situation you will say he may be a thief. वह एक डाकू हो सकता है, he may be a robber. Okay, वह भूखा हो सकता है, he may be hungry. वह प्यासा हो सकता है, he may be thirsty. So I hope you are going to understand very well that in what situation you will say may be. Okay, so now I have taught you two structures, that should be and may be. Did you understand? Well,